guys, thank you so much for tuning in to see my latest tutorial. Now this tutorial is sort of ties into the tutorial that I did earlier today. So that was about how to turn digital prints set of 3 into wall canvas in under 10 minutes and on Canva account with the free account. So this video is going to be sort of tying into that in form of we're going to be exploring other ways that our graphics can be used so that you get not only the consistent look, but you also get the most out of your graphics that you purchase on on my store, Express Prints, or anywhere on Etsy. And I think that's the beauty of it, because A, you can find something that you genuinely love, prints that you love, designs that you love, and B, there's just literally unlimited use, whether that's digital use or physical prints. So we're going to be taking a look at that. Now, this can be very useful like when you're running a business. So for example, you have Airbnb, a few properties, and you want to sort of like keep the look consistent. So the marketing materials will be along those lines as well. So we're going to be focusing on that today. So in my previous video, I'm going to pop the link in the description below. I have used autumn sets of 3. And these are my offerings right now on my shop, Express Prints with 1S. And we have been working with this set. So we're going to be continuing working with this set. Let's have a look at how gorgeous they are. Look at that. Look at those colors. They're just stunning. Imagine them in sort of like a nice suburban property, or even like a mountain property. Absolutely lovely. So guys, I've explained the process before, but very quickly, add to basket, then you will receive a very unique PDF link to your files on my Google Drive, and you are able to download them immediately, no wait. So what we do then, we go over to Canva, and you need a free account at least. But you know what, even if you don't have an account, it's so worth it. With Canva, you can be as creative as you like. You don't have to be an expert. I am no way expert. I am learning, having fun, educating myself constantly, and it's a lot of fun to create with Canva and with my prints. So I'm just going to be using, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be using 2084 times 2084. That's the press size that you get. And we're going to sort of add three pages here. And we're going to now add our art. So first one, we're going to stretch it. Second one, stretch. And third one. Yeah. And it's sort of like helpful when you sort of prepare this work beforehand. So we've got all 3 here. Fantastic. So in the last video, we were looking at how to turn these 3 into canvas, into wall art. And the way we did it was we went to share, and then we went to print your design. Now, as I said, I don't know which countries support this feature, but I'm in the UK, we've got it. I'm sure many other countries have it as well. But of course, you don't have to do everything in Canva. If you have another company, like there's so many print-on-demand companies that you can use. If you have another company that you are happy with and you know their products are quality, go with that by all means. But we are just going to keep everything nice and simple, under one roof, as it were. So let's go with Canva print on demand service. So we click on print your design. And here we have so many options. So we've got posters. Oops. Sorry about that. So we've got posters, portrait, landscape, notebooks, infographics, canvases. So we did canvases square in my previous video. So let's have a look at, how these products with no transparent background would look, for example, on sweatshirt. Okay, so resize design. Okay. So what do you guys think? Well, I think for the t-shirt design, I think we need a product with no background. So my Clipart is going to be perfect for this. And I've got another video on how to turn my Clipart into hoodies and t-shirts. So yeah, I mean, it's still nice, but it's not perfect. I wouldn't be using it for t-shirts, but let's explore other things. What else we can do with them? Print your designs. Let's have a look at what a notebook would look like. Yeah, so again, we have a holiday business. We want to make our guests happy. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Imagine, you know, if you have sort of like a wall art and then everything else sort of like marketing materials or fun materials like this for guests. So to, again, keep consistent look, it's absolutely lovely. What else we can do? So this is really nice. This is perfect. Then we could do, let's have a look. I'm playing, guys. I haven't prepared for this at all. So in my previous video, we did canvas is square, which is perfect. We could do stickers. We can try stickers. Let's see what it would look like. Very nice. Again, so this is very suitable for sticker design. Yeah, so our stickers are fantastic. Again, keeping the consistent look, sticking to the look. Let's see what they would look like in this. Oh my goodness, lovely. Yeah, so stickers would work perfectly. Let's have a look at what else we could print. So guys, at the moment we are looking at digital physical products, but all these can be used as digital products as well. So we've got, because for example, if you wanted to have your own stickers printed outside of Canva, so you would then prepare them here, but then you would then send them to company as a digital product. Let's take a look at mugs. Now I have a feeling mugs also wouldn't be as nice as with the transparent background. Yeah, I think we need transparent background for mugs, definitely, which we have so many of them on my store. And then print your design. Obviously, we can do stickers, different stickers. We can do cards. Let's have a look at the bag, what it would look like. Okay. Well, not too bad, but I still probably would prefer on a bag Clipart. Again, if you're not sure how to use Clipart for physical products like this, I've got a video underneath in the description, you know, how to turn Clipart into t-shirts and hoodies. So I'm thinking of everything, and this tutorial just getting bigger and bigger with more knowledge, but still keeping it very simple, because everything that I do is aimed at beginners. Right, so I'm not sure about the bag. Of course, you know, it depends on what you like. And then what else we could do? So obviously this kind of design, which is like a photography with a background, works well on canvases, on posters, on cards, on notebooks, on stickers, on cards, on, well, maybe even bag envelopes. It would look very nice on the envelopes. Let's try. Yeah, very nice again. Look at that. Yeah, so there's so many uses that you can actually use it for. Keep the look consistent. But again, you know, everything that I'm sharing with you can also be used as a digital format. Yeah, so all these options we have, you know, to help us, to enable us to keep the look consistent and you know, stick to the same design if you want. And then once let's have a look at what happens next. So let's do some stickers. Just quickly read you through the process. So once we select our stickers, let's see circle stickers, resize design, and we've got different pages. So let's stick with this, and then we can choose sizes. Let's compare sizes quickly. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's go for medium stickers. And we have glossy finish or matte finish. I think I go for matte finish in this one because it's quite bright as it is. And we've got 12 stickers for 19.20, 24 stickers for £22. So of course you are saving a lot of money per sticker when you buy more. Yeah. So guys, and again, if you want to have all 3 stickers printed, so what you do, obviously we have done only page 1. So when we want to do all stickers, so let's say we want to have all 3 sort of prints in a sticker form. So we just go to add to order, and we simply add another. Yeah. And now we choose page 2, medium, same. And then we go for 24 stickers. And then we can also add to order. So we can add 3rd sticker, 3rd design. Yeah. Medium, matte finish, or we can change the sizes to small, large, 24 stickers, and then we add to order. So now we've got all 3 designs stickers, as you can see here. And then all that is left to do is check out and, you know, basically standard delivery, express delivery, choose, and go through the checkout. So guys, you know, as you can see, Canva is making it very, very easy for us, and there literally is unlimited use to what you can do with your digital prints. But the best thing for me is that, you know, it's very simple these days to turn prints into whatever we want. Thanks to Canva, such a simple, easy design, lots of free features that we can use, and really there's no way you can't do it. You can literally do anything. So guys, if you like my video, like it, subscribe, and once you subscribe, you will also turn on the notifications, and every time I post a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.